Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and this is the first vlog on my channel. And yeah, we are going to do a lot more today, and I'm going to take you out with me today, and we are going to Manas's office. From there we'll be going for some evening snacks and then shopping. It's going to be very exciting, so just come with me and let's enjoy.
In Dunkin, basically because I am damn hungry, so I thought of showing you across. Dunkin is really nice to have some snacks, something. So of course I'll be showing what we'll have, and yeah, let's kick into the vlog and let's see what all they have. I'm damn hungry because I just passing by the office, and this is very close to my office. So I thought of waiting and then having something. Ankita doesn't want anything, of course, so she's just having a coffee. I'll show you across what we are having, and let's kick into the vlog.
This is sugar that they have given us,
Huh?
and this is a burger. What burger is this?
That's an egg burger.
This is the egg burger.
Egg with
This is
extra
a
cheese.
coffee. Yeah, it's egg with extra cheese. This is a coffee. And this is a donut. This is extra sugar.
By the way, they have almost 9 to 12 variety of donuts.
Yeah. Want to say something?
Hi, vlog.
Hi. Manu, say hi.
They have
Manu,
the
say
best
hi.
donuts. Of course, you have to visit this place. They have the best donuts.
Yeah.
Almost 20, around 15 to 20 variety of donuts.
Donuts, yeah.
So yeah, you should be seeing
They
this place.
taste very good.
And after an tiring office, this is the place.
Yeah. And Manu is troubling us a lot.
Obviously, that's
Yeah.
something he is going to do.
He wants to open it. He wants to open the ketchup.
He wants the ketchup.
Yeah, he wants the ketchup.
Okay, so I'm going to have this egg burger basically with extra cheese, and you see this small tiny bite that is not mine, obviously. That is of this naughty kid who's there.
He's hiding
He's hiding here, and he has had that. And this also Manu has had already, and this small
This is what
tiny
I'm
bite.
having with extra
And
sugar.
yes, Ankita is having an.
Coffee with extra sugar.
Obviously, there has to be extra sugar with the
It
coffee
is
because
not at all tasty.
crazy. It's crazy,
It is
crazy
very hot
strong.
and not strong. It is not at all sweet, I can say. So I have to add sugar. If possible, I'll be adding this too. So I'm not sure.
Have to.
Yeah, I will just taste it and then I'll add it.
Wow, it looks nice now. Maybe it should be a little sweet now.
It is only looking nice.
And this guy has had a small bite of my burger, and now this guy is just hiding behind. Hi.
And I don't know why
Hello.
he's hiding.
He's just shy, I think. Anyways, we'll quickly have this, and then we'll be giving you a review of how it was.
Yeah.
And why is your mask up yet?
Then we will,
Hello, your mask should be down. Ah, yeah.
then from here we are going to shop for beach wear, like for swimming suits and everything. So we'll just go around and show you what we are going to do after this. So
Yeah. So in this vlog, you will be also seeing some shopping. Oh yeah.
yeah, shopping. Yeah,
Yeah, that was probably wrong.
yeah.
But anyways, in this vlog, you will be also seeing some shopping. Basic
Yeah.
shopping, of course.
Basic shopping of this
Swimsuits.
swimsuits. Yeah, because we are going to. There is a birthday plan coming. Yeah.
That's a surprise.
Yeah.
Obviously, don't spoil the surprise.
Yeah, so it's a surprise for you guys. So we have to shop for that.
Yes.
So it's a basic shopping for swimming clothes.
And by the time you get this vlog, you will be also seeing the birthday vlog.
Yeah,
So the birthday vlog will be coming before this one.
yeah.
So
before
hang
this
on.
one.
And yeah, let's kick in. Let's kick into.
No, maybe we can
finish
put this one and then the other one. So yeah.
It goes according to her, obviously.
Yeah.
So let's
And
kick
guys,
in.
it's our first vlog, so Yeah, just like it, share it, and support us.
Obviously.
And of course, subscribe the channel.
Yeah, that's mandatory to do.
Yeah, that's mandatory. to
That's
do.
mandatory to do. And
And
I do the talking.
you
Wait.
can see the Dunkin around. It's very good. We'll show you the flavors also. You can see this naughty kid running here. Yeah.
No, that's not for you.
Okay, so yeah, we'll just have it fast and then we'll come back again.
What's up, vlog? So we have reached our destination to purchase some swimwear for us. So let's go in. Let's check some swimwear. Obviously, we don't have any swimwear for us, but she needs swimwear.
Yeah.
So let's see. Let's go. Let's check out what they have and some toys for this naughty boy. Manu, say hi to the vlog.
Say hi.
Manu, say hi to the vlog.
Say hi.
Hi. Say hi to the vlog.
No, he's not interested.
No reaction.
No
All right,
reaction. He's
let's
not
go.
interested. So let's go. Let's see what we get here. And yeah, just follow us.
Is a tube, safety tube
Yeah.
for both of you, because obviously Ankita can't swim and neither can Manu.
Oh, even I can wear it.
Obviously, yeah, it's for both of you.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a big one.
Manu
This
will
one
go
I'm not
inside
that
it.
satisfied. I think there is a lot of collection here. Let's see if I find a good one, because this is like, this has only 2-3 things.
Okay, take the, see that basket thing.
Where is the one?
So
this one?
bucket,
Yeah.
sorry, the bucket one.
Yeah, bucket seems nice.
Yeah, Manu will like it.
Yeah, this is crazy. This is nice.
Yeah, that's nice.
This has too many things. Yeah, vlog. This
Yeah.
is done,
Yeah, this is done.
and this is also done.
Yeah, this is also
Comment
done.
below if you like my selection.
Yeah.
Oh no, this is not my. This is my selection.
Yeah.
Okay, comment below whose selection was nice. Obviously, this is nice, but then still. Okay, so got the swimwear, and we are ready for the special birthday of someone. Hi,
Hi.
special birthday of someone. So let's go.
We couldn't show you the swimwear because we were in hurry, but yeah, you can see it on the birthday itself.
Right, and obviously they are not allowing to film in also, so we thought of not bothering them. And yeah, you'll see it on the birthday day, of course. Chalo, signing off the vlog. Bye bye, take care, stay safe. See you in another vlog. By that time,
But like,
share and subscribe. Bye bye.